Welcome to the Seville Report's weekly wrap-up where we take a look at a few of the biggest stories that impacted the financial markets over the past week. On Monday, the Dow closed down 335 points, fueled by issues at Facebook. Facebook dropped over 12 points or 6% due to a report by the New York Times that a firm, Cambridge Analytica, retained information on millions of the social network's users without their consent. Governments in the US and Europe are looking at Facebook for answers. Also on Monday, rumors of Apple developing its own device displays using next-generation micro-LED sank display stocks like LG, Universal Display, and Samsung, to name a few. On Tuesday, the Dow closed up over 100 points. The gain was spearheaded by Amazon, which was up over 40 points. Amazon got a boost from the CNBC interview with Twitch TV star Ninja. Twitch TV is a subsidiary of Amazon. The move in Amazon propelled Amazon ahead of Google in market cap. On Wednesday, the market closed down 44 points after the Fed raised rates. In a meeting afterwards, the Fed cited the reason for the hike is because the economic outlook has strengthened in recent months. Also on Wednesday, FedEx reported earnings. Revenue grew 10% year over year to $16.5 billion and beat expectations by $350 million. And earnings per share came in at $3.72, which beat estimates by 61 cents. Stifel, Citi, KeyBank, and Stephens all have buy ratings on FedEx shares. And finally on Wednesday, Nordstrom cut off talks with the Nordstrom family to take the retailer private after the two could not come to an agreement on price. On Thursday, the Dow closed down 742 points. The steep decline was driven by investors' fear of the $60 billion tariff placed on China by the White House. China states it will retaliate. Also on Thursday, Nike reported earnings after the bell. The company reported revenue of $8.9 billion for the quarter, a 6% year-over-year increase. This beat analyst estimate by $140 million, and earnings per share came in at 68 cents versus the analyst estimates of 53 cents. On Friday, the market closed down 424 points. Some news that affected the market: Nasper Limited, the largest shareholder of Tencent Holdings, said it would be reducing its stake in Tencent, which caused the shares to drop 9.5% since Wednesday. Also on Friday, Dropbox debuted on the market. It opened for trading at $29 per share and closed the day at $28.50. The S&P closed down 55 points and the Nasdaq closed down 174 points, capping a down week for all of the markets. In crypto news, Bitcoin ended the week trading in the $8,600 range, trading below its 20, 50, and 200-day moving average. That's a lot of resistance to break through without some major event to help it. Litecoin ended the week up from last week at $139.90. Ethereum ended the week at $526, and Ripple ended the week at 62 cents. Crude oil closed up for the week at $65.81. It'll be real interesting if oil can break this $65.88 resistance. A big winner for the week is Smart Global Holdings, SGH, which saw an 11% increase since last week's close, and Facebook is definitely our big loser for the week, dropping 14% since last Friday's close. This quarter's The Seville Report is available. You can find a link below. If you're looking to start investing or just looking for some investment ideas, you should check it out. We take a look at 3 different companies. We discuss where the company is now, why we like the company as an investment, what are some of the risks, why we're buying it, a review of the company's peers, and a final list of what makes the company a good and bad investment. For people new to investing, the Seville Report's quarterly report is a good place to start. You can find it at thesevillereport.com. Thank you for checking out the weekly wrap-up. This channel and website are dedicated to anyone who wants to start investing but isn't sure where or how to start. If you have any questions or concerns, leave us a comment below, like and subscribe, and may your next investment be your best investment.